one.
Alright, so now we're just going to loosen the lower strut bolt, 19mm. I'm just going to loosen that up. We've already got the lower ball joint off. And next we'll be loosening up the 3 bolts right here on the 3 nuts, I should say, on the top strut mount. Just loosen them and we'll leave them attached because the strut, then we're going to move the lower control arm down to get the rear one's always tricky. Alright, we used a pry bar against that bolt there to push down on the lower control arm to remove the lower bolt of the strut. So right now everything's still held in place. The strut is still in place. We've got 1 nut at the top left and the bottom bolt is now out. Alright, so we've loosened, you've got to remove the front skid plate splash guard to remove this front, loosen this front nut here, and here on the back we loosen these cams. This has allowed the lower control arm to swing right down out of the way. You see now nothing else is disconnected. Next up we just have to take that top nut off and bring the strut down out of the way and put the new one up. Too easy. See, everything's still attached. Brake line, ABS line, upper control arm. The upper control arm's holding this whole knuckle and everything. Nothing is stressed right now. And the whole strut tower is free and clear, ready for the new assembly to go up into place.